to another video describing some of the benefits and features of Market Analysis Map Business Online Pro. Map Business Online Pro Market Analysis is available through that Market Analysis button in Map Business Online. If we go down to the Aggregate Customer Data functionality, that's what I'm going to explore right now. So we're going to count customers in the proximity of a store and aggregate that customer data. This could be any data. This could be hospitals and patients. It could be manufacturers and suppliers. Lots of different possibilities there. You can see I've got two data sets imported onto my map. One of them is prospective accounts, and the other is national distributors that are really spread across the country. There's about 30 of them. And we want to find out which distributors have got the most customers or prospective customers available to them so that we can decide who's going to utilize this list. We click into the Aggregate Customer Data. We make sure that the customer location function is assigned to the proper data set, which in this case is prospective target accounts. And then we go down to the next drop down and we choose the national distributor data set to be the store locations. Again, these customer store locations could be any type of data. It's just two data sets that you want to compare. Down below, I'm going to pick the column of data, of my data, that I want to include in the analysis. And in this case, it's the total count of prospective target accounts and the sales totals. So there's some sense of what that potential is. And then there's another option here. And I don't really have anything else I want to add at this point, so I'm just going to leave that at none. Then I'm going to decide what the radius is that I'd like to do my analysis around. Is it 100 miles, 50 miles? What sort of target makes sense in terms of area? And then if you wanted to, if you had the radius specified in your data, you could actually choose the radius in a data column. I click Next, and the marketing area profile has been added to my data. The data pops up, and you can see my distributor locations are here across the country, and the count, I've got 146 in one of them. I've got one here, 16 and 24, and then a lot with 0. So I could filter my list of distributors and go down to count. Where is it? There it is. And we'll say we want the count to be greater than 0. Click Filter, and that gives me the 4 distributors that have prospects within that data set, and I can export that out and then work with those distributors and those prospects in terms of developing a campaign or a call out campaign, whatever it is you might be doing with your data. Go to mapbusinessonline.com and try Map Business Online Pro and our advanced market analysis tools. Thank you.